Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here and today we're going to unbox the Gigabyte 256 GB SSD. So let's begin the unboxing video. So here is the box of Gigabyte's SSD as you can see. So here on the bottom we got its size, which is 256 gigabytes or GB. On the side we got our Gigabyte logo with the SSD and the seal. Here on the back, on the top side, we are going to have its serial number, model number, check number, etc. And here on English it says solid state drive, so it has a SATA 3 interface. Its maximum sequential read speed is 520 megabits per second and its maximum sequential write speed is 500 megabytes per second. But don't worry, at the end of this video I'm going to test this on our PC and I'm going to show you the actual result that it will give on our PC on how much speed it has, so we're not really worried about that. So that's all on the box. And by the way guys, the box will be really light because SSDs are really light, and this is a 2.5 inch SSD, not an NVMe SSD. So let's open the box. So here we're going to have a seal on both sides, so I have cut open the seal and here is our SSD and here we have it, and the box is empty. And by the way, I forgot to tell you one thing, that it's going to show the manufacturing date here as well. So this particular SSD was manufactured on December 2020, just for your knowledge. Anyways, here we're going to have our user manual or something like that, which I'm really not going to read because we're just going to insert it on our PC. And here is the actual SSD itself in its plastic covering. So we're going to open it from here on the top side, and it's going to pop on up like this, like a door. Anyways, now we need to be careful to open it because these are very delicate stuff. And here is your SSD and it's in matte black finish, which I really like. Gigabyte solid state drive. Here on the back again you're going to have its size and all of its specification. You're going to have your 4 mounting screws on the bottom as well as 2 on both sides, so you can mount it in any orientation you want. On the side you're going to have your power connector as well as your SATA connection, so make sure that you connect it to a SATA 3 port on your PC to get the maximum speed out of this solid state drive. Anyways, that's all for the unboxing. Now I'm going to connect it to my PC and I will show you how much speed does this SSD actually gives. So here I have connected my Gigabyte SSD to this particular PC. If I go and open the device manager, you can see under disk drives the Gigabyte SSD is connected. So I have connected the SSD to a SATA 3 port so that we can get the maximum speed out of this SSD. So for the speed test I'm going to be using Crystal Disk Mark 6 for this purpose. So I'm just going to start the test. So it's going to tell us the speed in its reading and writing for megabits per second. So if you want to see the complete speed test of this Gigabyte SSD, then a box will appear right here where I'm going to show you how much speed does this have as compared to a normal hard disk drive, and how much fast does this makes your system to boot up. So I'm just going to fast forward the video from here until the disk speed test is completed. So here the test has been completed. So the maximum read speed for the Gigabyte SSD is 523.7 megabytes per second and the maximum write speed is 490.6 megabytes per second, which is not bad as compared to its price. So if you have a normal hard disk drive, the read speed would go around for a max of 80 to 100 megabytes per second. So you're having about 5 times more read and write speed on the SSD, so that's definitely worth every penny of. And guys, I'm not going to be using this PC for me, it's for my younger sister. She likes to play games etc. In my PC I have the NVMe SSD, which is even more faster than this 2.5 inch SSD. So if your laptop or PC has an NVMe SSD port, then you should definitely go with the NVMe SSD. But anyways, even if you have this Gigabyte SSD, it's still worth it, because according to the speed test, as you saw, it is still a very fast SSD as compared to your old style SATA hard disk drives. So guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.